Welcome to this video. Today I'd like to show you how to use the features of the drag and drop in the landing page builder. This is the home page, of course, of TCP backoffice. First we go to the landing page builder. We add a page and we choose a page that we want to edit. Start editing. Yep. Give it a name. Just any name, just for this little tutorial for you. Save your lander. Okay, there you have it. If you want to change the background, you can pick a background image from here. You can just choose any background, decide how you want it to show on a mobile phone, confirm, and there you have it. Or you can provide a background, upload an image. And here you have to enter the URL of the image, and I like to go to Pixabay if I want an image that I cannot find in the TCP backoffice. So when I just look for a horse picture, any horse picture, oh, these are cool. Okay, we'll take this one. Copy image address, go back to your page, paste it in, there you go. Next. Showed little feller's nose, confirm, and there you have it. This one is not all good because of the head that is being cut off, but you get the general idea. Then you can use the background video if you like, and these are just a few old share codes that we have here in the back office. So I'll just show you how that works. Lander's been saved. Hang on, there you have it. This is a background that I used for a page for an MMA school, a capoeira school. And then you just go and play around with the opacity of this block here, so that your text is still readable over the video. Okay, that's it. I will go back to a picture background for now. Just have this nice guy in the background. Confirm. Keeps up with the video. Take the video out and save the lander. Saving. And there you have it. Okay. So this is the page, the way it looks when someone clicks your link. Now when you want to change stuff around, you can go to edit content to change anything you like about the text here. When you stop editing, you can go to style to change the font, the size, you see the changes instantly. You can change the color, all that stuff. Now when you want to add a video, maybe you go to edit components and you see down here that you can add a button. You can add more lines of text. This text is like this text. This text is like this text. and this text is like this text. You can add a button, you can add or change the form, you can add a picture, and you can add a video. And also down here you can add other components. To change the form, you go to the form that you have in the page and you go to edit content, and here you get to choose full name and email, full name, email and phone number, or the whole shebang. I mostly use this one, and when you hit save you see the instant change here. When we go to edit components and we add in a picture, you go to edit, you find another nice picture. I love this one. Copy image address, go back to your picture, paste it in, save. And there you have it. It's a pretty cool feature, I think. Edit components, and we want to use a YouTube video. We can just put it in like this, drag and drop, it's really easy. Edit content, you need a YouTube URL. So we go to YouTube. And we find a video. Maybe another horse. It's nice. This one is nice. We copy the link. Go back to the page. Paste it in. We save, and there you have it. You can play around with all the text, put stuff in, take stuff out. If you want to add or edit components, you can do it like this. You also just drag and drop it like that or like this, and just make it into whatever you like. Hope that helps. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.